we're also going to talk about the knee braces. Na ay knee braces for osteoarthritis, but you don't know what to buy. Actually, there are patients who come to the clinic wearing knee sleeves. They find that the knee sleeves help lessen the pain sa tuhod. So if you have knee arthritis, kanang knee arthritis is when you have severe joint pain, guba na gid ang tuhod. And if you compare it with a normal joint that is like this, no? So you can see the difference, front view, the back view, and the side view, the normal joint and the arthritis na knee joint. Yeah, you can definitely, have limited by the pain. And if you have these knee braces, some patients will report to me na, Doc, ni gamay man, ni less man ang pain ni mama wearing knee braces. So what are the knee braces that are on the market na ay mga mahal kaayo na $500 na say mga $20 to $30 na knee brace?